Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to protect our drawings from dusting and smudging. So I use this fixative spray to protect my drawing. Don't skip this step once you finish your drawings. This is mandatory. So let me show you how does it works by following each step on my drawing. This spray is ideal for charcoal, pastel and pencil drawings and layouts. I will read the directions. First one is surface should be clean and dry. So yeah, I have checked all this paper which is completely dry, so we are good to go. The second one is shake can for 2-3 minutes. So let's shake. Third step is saying spray in a steady motion 6 to 9 inches from surface. From this surface we will hold the spray 6 to 9 inches above. Fourth step is apply thin coat against spray top stroke and overlap to obtain consistent uniform finish, and then recoat. So I am applying a thin coat. I want to show you what happens if we don't use this spray after finishing drawings. If anything comes in contact with your drawings, this can happen and eventually your drawing will be damaged. So to protect this smudging, let's see after coating. So after 5 minutes, let's check. Now it is completely protected, and this way you can save your drawings for a long time. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.